In this lesson, we will learn about a word pattern. If we see this new pattern, the vowel sound will be short most of the time. So before we learn the pattern, let's review the short vowel sounds. Remember, we can use this poster to help us remember our short vowel sounds. I'm going to make one of our short vowel motions. Your job is to copy my motion, but you will also make the sound that goes with it. So if I make this motion, you're going to show me this motion and say the sound that goes with it. Ah. Let's get started. Ready? Ah. Eh. Ah. Ah. Let's do it a couple more times. Ready? Eh. Ah. 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 Good. Now I'll say the short vowel sound and you will repeat it and make the motion that goes with it. So if I say eh, you would say that sound too and show me the motion. Eh. Ready? Ah. Ah. Eh. Eh. Ah. Ah. Eh. Eh. Good. Now I'm going to point to one of the letter tiles with the vowel on it, and I want you to say the short vowel sound that goes with it and the motion. So if I point to the letter E, you would say Ready? Ah. Ah. Eh. Ah. Good job. Now, we are going to learn to read some words that have a special pattern. The pattern we are going to look at is for one vowel letter with one or more consonant letters after the vowel. It's called the vowel consonant pattern. Remember, our vowel letters are red and our consonant letters are black. When we see the vowel consonant pattern, it will just have one red letter by itself, and that red letter will have at least one black letter after it. Do you see a vowel letter in this word? Yes. What is the name of that vowel letter? A. Does the A have a consonant letter after it? Yes. What is the name of that consonant letter? T. Does this word have our pattern, our vowel consonant pattern? It does. What is our pattern? One vowel with one or more consonant after it. When we see this vowel consonant pattern, it means that most of the time the vowel will say its short vowel sound. So this word is b, a, t, bat. The vowel letter A says its short sound, a, because it's part of a vowel consonant pattern. Remember that A is the short A sound, like an A apple. Let's try another word. Do you see one vowel letter in this word? Yes. What letter is it? E. Does the E have a consonant letter after it? It does. What is the name of that consonant letter? T. Does this word have our vowel consonant pattern? It does. What is our pattern? One vowel with one or more consonant after it. So the E should say its short sound. What is the short E sound? A. So this word is at, net. Let's look for a few more words to see if they have the vowel consonant pattern. Does this word have a vowel in it? It does. What is the name of this vowel letter? I. Does the vowel I have a consonant after it? It does. What is the name of that consonant letter? P. So does it follow our vowel consonant pattern? Yes. What is our pattern? One vowel with one or more consonant after it. So the I should say its short I sound. What is the short I sound? Eh. Good. So this word is hip. Does this word have a vowel letter in it? Yes. What is the name of that vowel letter? U. Does the U have a consonant letter after it? It does. What is the name of that consonant letter? P. So does it follow our vowel consonant pattern? Yes, it does. And what is that pattern? A vowel with one or more consonant after it. Does this word have a vowel in it? It does. What is the name of that vowel? O. Does the O have a consonant letter after it? Yes. What is the name of that consonant letter? P. So does it follow our vowel consonant pattern? It sure does. And what is that pattern? A vowel with one or more consonant after it. So sometimes we see this pattern, but the word doesn't have a consonant letter at the beginning. As long as we see one vowel letter with one or more consonant letters after it, it still is our pattern. And the vowel is probably going to say its short vowel sound, just like in this word. So do we see a vowel letter in this word? Yes. What is the name of that vowel letter? O. Do we see a consonant letter after the O? Yes. What is the name of that letter? N. Good. So does it follow our vowel consonant pattern? Yes, it does. And what is that pattern? One vowel with one or more consonant after. Let's look at our other one. Does this word have a vowel letter in it? Yes. What is the name of that vowel letter? U. Does the U have a consonant letter after it? It does. What is the name of that letter? S. So does it follow our vowel consonant pattern? It does. And what is that pattern? A vowel with one or more consonant letter after it. Good. Let's watch a video to review.
Today we're going to learn about a pattern that we can see in lots of words. When we see a word with one vowel letter and one or more consonant letters after the vowel, we call that a vowel consonant pattern.
Let's look at this word. I see this word has one vowel letter, the letter U. There is a consonant letter after the vowel, the letter P. When a word has one vowel letter with one or more consonant letters after it, it has the vowel consonant pattern. When I see this pattern, I know that, most of the time, the vowel will say its short sound. K, p, cup.
Now let's look at another word. Do you see a vowel in this word? Yes, I see the vowel letter E. Does the E have a consonant letter after it? It does. There are two consonant letters after the letter E, N and T. Does this word have our pattern? You're right, it does. It has the vowel consonant pattern. There's one vowel and only one vowel, and one or more consonants after it. That lets us know the vowel will probably say its short vowel sound. T, a, n, t, tent.
A word can follow the vowel consonant pattern even if there isn't a consonant letter at the beginning. This word doesn't have a consonant at the beginning, but since it has one vowel letter and there's a consonant letter after it, it still follows the vowel consonant pattern, and the vowel will probably say its short sound. In.
Remember, when you see the vowel consonant pattern, you should know that most of the time the vowel will say its short sound.
Very good. Now, we are going to build some words together. I sent you the link so that if you do have an iPad or a phone or something with a touch screen, you can use these letter tiles with me today. If you do not have something like that, that's just fine. You can look and watch me do it up on the screen. So first, I'm going to build a word and you're going to watch to see how this works. So let's build the word in real life, okay? The real word nap, as in I need a nap because I am so tired. Nap. N-a-p. Nap. I heard 3 sounds in nap. N-a-p. Nap. I see 1 vowel letter in nap. So when I hear a vowel sound in that word, it's going to be the red tile. Okay? So we have N. What letter do we need? N. A, our vowel sound. What letter? A. P. What letter? P. So I see 1 vowel and I see 1 consonant after it. That is our pattern, and that's why the A says its short sound, A. So let's try building one together. Okay, let's build the real word hot together, as in it was hot out, so I went swimming. Repeat the word, hot. Good. Let's stretch the sounds together. Hot. Hot. Now we're going to put our color tiles onto our board. So we need for the 3 sounds that we hear. Go ahead and put your color tiles on the board. Good. Now, what is the first sound that you hear? So what letter do we need? H. We'll put an H underneath our first sound tile. What letter do we need? O. So we will need an O. T. What letter? T. Good. T. Now you put your letter tiles up on your board. Now, I see 1 vowel, and then I see a consonant after it. This is our pattern, and that's why the O spells its short sound, ah. Good. You can clear your board. Now, you are going to use your color tiles again to build 3 real words on your own. Each word will follow the vowel consonant pattern. Sap. Sap comes from a maple tree. We collect sap to make maple syrup. So let's say the word sap. Good. Now, stretch the word sap. S-A-P. Sap. I want you to place your color tiles on the board for each sound. Just your color tiles for sap. Good. We should have S-A-P. Now, we are going to spell the word by placing the correct letter tiles below each color tile. I want you to say each sound and place the right letter tile underneath it for sap. Go ahead and place the letter tiles on. Our first sound is S. So what letter do you have for your first sound? S. Good. The next sound we hear is A. What letter do you have there? A. Our last sound is P. So what letter did you put down? P. Good. Let's touch each letter tile underneath it as we say its sound to check. S. A. P. Sap. Good. Now let's clear our boards and try another one. This is bug. Like there was a bug crawling up on the side of the flower pot. Bug. Let's say the word together. Ready? Bug. Now let's stretch the words in the sound. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. I want you to place one color tile on your board for each sound while you say the sound. So just the color tiles on. Good. We should have B-U-G. Bug. Now, I want you to spell the word by placing one letter tile below each color tile that matches as you say its sound. Go ahead and spell the word with your letter tiles on your board. What's the first sound we hear in this word? B. So what letter did you put down? B. What is the next sound we hear in bug? So what letter tile did we put down? U. What is the last sound we hear in bug? G. What letter did we put down? G. Good. Let's take our finger and touch underneath each one as we say its sound. B. G. Bug. Good. Go ahead and clear your board. Our next word is wig. The clown had a colorful wig on his head. Let's say the word together. Wig. Now let's stretch it. Hand right here. Wig. W-I-G. Wig. Good. I want you to place one color tile on the board for each sound as you say the sound. Go ahead and place your color tiles. Wig. We've got our 3 color tiles on for each sound. Now, I want you to spell the word by putting each letter tile down underneath the the color tile to spell the word wig. Go ahead and place down your letter tiles to spell wig. Good. Now let's check. The first sound we heard was W. What letter did you put down? W. The next sound we heard was I. What letter did we put down? I. The last sound we heard was G. What letter did we put down? G. Good. Let's use our finger to touch each sound underneath it and say W, I, G. Wig. Awesome job building your words today. Nice work.